How to earn $100, $1,000, or even $3,000 in a month just by reading books. Yes, you heard it right. Just by simple reading books or narrating a books, you can make $100 yearly for an hour. All right. And how you can make money just by reading books. All right, so in this video, stay till the end. So before that, what you need to do is you just need below this video you would find the subscribe button. You just need to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified on how to make money online, because I make videos on a daily basis and I even share the tips and tricks on digital marketing. So what you need to do, just subscribe to my channel. All right, so again, back to the content. So before I dive in and show you the exact strategies or exact companies which actually pay you from anywhere between $50 to $100 per hour, and it still things goes on, even you get paid nearly about $1,000 per reading, just reading a 15 to 20 minutes work which you do it, and narrating a book, and you can make tons of money. All right, so definitely the number one point, it is a passive income and you earn anywhere between $50 to $100 an hour, and consistency is the key, and it is worldwide. All right, and free to start. All right, so ready for the content? Here is the company, ACX. This is a company where you turn your book into an audiobook. All right, so as of now, we can see that we don't have a time to read a book. So what we do is, when we exercise or when we are going out, when we are doing walking, anywhere, whatever we do is we take out a mobile phone and we go to the podcast or we hear to the audiobooks, right? So that's, and even you can see here, this books, whatever narration you do for these books, these are all available on Audible, Amazon, iTunes. All right, so it means that this particular company gives you the offers which is genuine, and you definitely make tons of money. You also act you are an actor or a producer. So over here you are a narrator. All right, so what you need to do is you just need to go here on the search and you just need to click on title accepting auditions. All right, so when you go over here, you can see here there are nearly about 2,400 titles matches your searches, right? And when I go for the click on the composition, as I said, you can see over here you nearly get paid per hour. Okay, you get paid per hour for the project, nearly about $1,000. So which has two factors, one is royalty share and royalty share plus. So there's various ways which you can go through it. All right, so here you can see here a lot of books, a lot of titles. You have tons of titles where you can read it and download those stuffs. You can see here there are various things. Okay, so for this example, I just wanted to read this particular books. I'll just show you. Click on this particular book. Okay, and what you need to do is you just need to click on auditions. Okay, and when you click on the auditions, you just need to download the script. Okay, so once you download the script, you would find the scripts over here. Okay, it is getting downloaded. And about the title, you can know what exactly the title is all about and whether the gender who need to do this. So before going for the auditions, you need to check this information if the gender is male or female. All right, so the download has been done. So I just clicked on this document. You would see here the document I have just pulled on. Okay, I'll just show you how to read it. Do you feel like you have become unfocused in your life? Has your relationship with others and yourself become uncertain? Do you experience a wide variety of afflictions, both mentally and physically? These are signs of imbalanced chakras, and it's essential that these be heard. All right, so this is just an example on how you need to read a particular narration. Once you do it, you just need to upload that book. Upload your audios over here, and everything has been provided over here. All the helps has been provided. If you don't know how to do it, you can even go for the resources, check all the information, how this things works and everything. All right, so as I said, you make anywhere between $50 to $100 just by doing this simple work. And you can see here this is like worldwide also. All right, and it is only nearly anywhere between 4 to 8 hours of work, and you would get per hour, you would get anywhere between $50 to $100, and if they like your work, you would even get more paid. So that's how you get paid with different factors as a narrator. You can see here, if you are good as an author, you can even write a book, and if you are good as a narrator, you can even narrate, as I showed you how to do it, right? So you earn money with just reading simple books. All right, so as I shared with you, this is how you need to do it. All right, so if you're even looking income where you wanted to make money from blogs, and you can see here, this is one of my courses which I have given the information. You can see here how you need to select a niche, select a product, research, getting your money niche sites, which is the main money magnets. I already have 3 blogs which is getting me anywhere between $100 passive income on a daily basis, and I'm definitely promoting through Bing. So if you're looking out a source where you wanted to make money from your blogs, or how to set up a blogs, and you have a cheat sheets also, and all this are videos. It's very simple videos. All right, so if you're looking out to get a solution, so below this video you'll find the link. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I would definitely tell you to join this ACX and become as a narrator and make anywhere between $50 to $100 per hour doing this work, and you can make anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 a month. All right, so, and if you like this video, give a like to this video, share this video, and comment this video if you have any questions or queries, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.